Good morning and welcome students to the virtual online class of English. Our topic for today is story element. What are story elements? Story elements are parts of the story that keep the story running smoothly and allow the action to develop in the proper sequence so that the reader can follow the story. These five elements are characters, setting, problem, solution, and theme. So we are going to talk in detail how these elements play an important role in the story. Characters. The characters are the individuals that the story is about. Each story has a main character and other characters. The main character determines the way the plot will develop and also solve the problem. Characters of the story could be human beings, animals, or even objects. Let us take the example of characters from the story Cinderella. The main character was Cinderella, and the other characters were stepsisters, the prince, and fairy godmother. All these characters make a good story and makes the plot very interesting. Setting. The setting is the location of the action. The surroundings or the location of the story helps the reader feel that she can picture the scene. Now, setting includes the location or the place where the story took place. It could be a jungle, it could be a forest, or cottage, or a farm, or a present situation. Setting also includes when did the story take place. Is it a present scenario story, or the story belongs to science fiction, that is future, or the story is based many years ago, historical story. Every story has a problem to solve. The story is centered on this problem, the ways in which the characters attempt to resolve the problem. The problem could be between two characters, or forces of nature, or one's fear. Every story has a problem, and how the main character is going to resolve it, that becomes the resolution of the story. The problem could be related to poverty, or a mystery, murder mystery, or an evil character, or getting in trouble, like Hansel and Gretel story, where they were stranded in the woods in the forest. That was the problem. In Cinderella, the problem was the stepsisters and mother. Solution could also be called as resolution of the story. How did the main character solve the problem? These are the different examples of solutions in stories. Cinderella's problem was resolved when she got the chance to go in the ball. Other examples would be finishing the task, or facing your fears, or catching the bad person. Theme is the idea, belief, moral, or lesson of life. It is the central idea that the author is trying to make the reader understand. The theme is the message of the story. Hope you have understood that the story is based on these 5 elements. So, next time when you read a story, try to search for these elements. Happy reading!